All right, hey guys, thank you very much for joining. So today by request, we're going to go over Estimated Profit, a little acoustic version here, classic Grateful Dead. That's a really fun song to play, especially acoustic by yourself. There's a lot of little things you can throw in here to make this one pretty fun. Got a decent amount of chords here, mostly bar chords. Got some open chords, so we'll go over all that. We'll go over the kind of the rhythm that I'm using here for this one. And yeah, hope you guys have fun with this one. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, hit the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If it's not your first time here, thank you very much for coming back. Continue telling your friends and all that good stuff because I really do appreciate it. All right, man, lots of fun here, so let's hop in. Okay, Estimated Profit. Here we start on this fun little F sharp minor riff. And that's just, again, one of 1,000 different ways you can play that. So starting here, got this F sharp minor. We're going to do a down strum and an up strum. And then we're going to move our pinky finger to the 5th fret of this low E string, so the A, and then do a little strum there as well. So okay, and then there we're just going, again, 5th fret of that low E. Then we're going 2nd fret, 4th fret on the A. Okay, you can also, instead of hitting the 5th fret here, you could also do just an open A. So, you can do that as well. Okay, and from there, and again, you don't have to add all of this in here. What I'm doing there, just I've got my 2nd fret is barred, and I'm just hammering on here, this ring finger hammering on to the 4th of the D. And that leads into that. So that little end riff there. So starting here on this D, 4th fret, to the 2nd fret there. So 4th fret D, 2nd fret D, 4th fret A. Back to the 4th fret here on the D. Then an open hammer onto the 2nd fret of that A. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so you could play that intro for the verse. I find it to be a little too much for trying to sing along with it as well. So typically for the verse when I'm playing, I'm just going to play like this. Okay, so all I'm doing, again, just playing that F sharp minor, and then pretty much at the last line, or the last word of each line is when I will switch over to adding my pinky finger here to that 5th fret of the low E and playing that. And I honestly don't know what the name of that chord is, but I don't know, I like it. I think it sounds good. So basically, play it. My time coming any day. Don't worry about I'm doing at the end there is just a hammering on here that 4th fret of the A, and then hitting that 2nd fret of the D. And again, you don't have to do that at all. Just one little thing you can add in there. So that's it for the verse. Then the verse ending. For the verse ending, I will go back to what we did for the intro, right? So. Sorry. Such a fun song to play. Then for the chorus, we've got. Okay, pretty standard there. We're just bar chording here, going back and forth from a G to a C, G, F. Okay, and there's lots of fills and things you can kind of pick up and add in as well if you'd like to. Again, playing acoustic by yourself, I think that sounds very good. All right, so for the break here, we've got D minor to an E7. You do that 3 times, and last time you go to a F, A, B minor, D minor, A minor, C minor, G minor, B flat minor, and I think there's some kind of hold here, and then you go back to the G, back to the chorus basically. All right. So again, go over those chords. So coming out of the D minor here to your E7. Again, that'll go 3 times. Then you've got D minor. To end it, you got a F, A, B minor, sorry about that, D minor, then A minor, C minor, G minor, B flat minor. That is a fun little acoustic rundown of Estimated Profit. Hope this helped you guys out. Really do appreciate it. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.